guys, when you come to this park, make sure you get the dining plan, and there are two options. One is $23.99 and the other one is $29.99. You get unlimited refills with the souvenir cup. If you look at the volcano closely, there is a water slide. This is so cool! Ice-free lazy river with no tube. You need a life jacket or you can't get on. Look at the waves! Look at the waves coming! In the GoPro, guys. We laugh! We laugh! Breaking the rules! Wow! Take two! Volcano Bay! You saw